The Constitution of Slovakia, officially known as the Constitution of the Slovak Republic, is the supreme law of the country. It was adopted on the 1st of September, 1992 and has been amended several times since then. The Constitution establishes the framework for the organization and functioning of the Slovak government, defines the rights and responsibilities of its citizens, and sets out the principles of governance. Here are some of the salient features of the Constitution of Slovakia. 1. Democratic Republic. Slovakia is defined as a democratic republic, with sovereignty residing in the people. The state is based on the principles of democratic rule, the separation of powers, and respect for human rights and fundamental freedoms. 2. Fundamental rights and freedoms. The Constitution guarantees a wide range of fundamental rights and freedoms to the citizens of Slovakia. These include the right to life, personal liberty, equality before the law, freedom of speech, assembly, and association, freedom of religion, and protection against discrimination. 3. Rule of law. The Constitution emphasizes the principle of the rule of law, ensuring that all individuals, including the state authorities, are subject to the law. It establishes an independent judiciary to protect and enforce the rights of citizens and ensure justice. 4. Separation of powers. The Constitution provides for the separation of powers among the legislative, executive, and judicial branches of government. The Parliament National Council is responsible for making laws. The President is the head of state, and the government exercises executive power. The judiciary acts independently and provides checks and balances on the other branches. 5. Parliament and elections. The Parliament consists of one chamber, the National Council, which is elected through a proportional representation system. It is responsible for enacting legislation, approving the state budget, and overseeing the executive branch. Regular parliamentary elections are held every 4 years. 6. President. The President of Slovakia is the head of state and represents the country at home and abroad. The President is elected by popular vote for a term of 5 years and has limited powers, including the appointment of the Prime Minister and other government officials. 7. Local and regional self-government. The Constitution recognizes and guarantees the autonomy and self-governance of local and regional entities within Slovakia. It establishes municipalities and higher territorial units as self-governing bodies with their own elected representatives. 8. Constitutional Court. Slovakia has a constitutional court, which is responsible for interpreting the Constitution and ensuring its compliance. The court has the power to review the constitutionality of laws, governmental acts, and decisions of public authorities. 9. Amendments. The Constitution can be amended through a legislative process requiring a qualified majority in the Parliament. Certain provisions of the Constitution, such as fundamental rights and freedoms, cannot be amended. These are some of the key features of the Constitution of Slovakia. It serves as the legal foundation for the functioning of the state and the protection of the rights and freedoms of its citizens. Thanks for watching this video, and also subscribe Advocate Buzzard Shaw channel.